Hello and welcome aboard UP Children's Museum Airlines. My name is Zach and I will be your ground control person today, as well as your pilot eventually. If you come on over here, as you can see here, we have many different gauges and radars and many different things going on. But what I want to show you how to work today is how to call the airplane. And in order to call the airplane, all you have to do is hold down this button and then you say, "Hello, pilot, this is ground control. Do you copy? Over." And then you should hear coming from the airplane, "Ground control, do you copy? Over." Am I clear for takeoff, ground control?
Have a good flight, sir.
Thank you, over. And now you need to put up the throttle and prepare for takeoff. I'm Captain Zach, and we understand that you have many different choices in Children's Museum, and we appreciate you flying with us today. Thank you, and welcome aboard.